Most people would never believe you get a condo like this in Bangkok for just $247 a month. It has 2 swimming pools, a private sauna, 2 co-working spaces, and a full gym. So let me show you. So this is actually the room that I'm staying in, but I have to show you around because otherwise you're not going to believe how amazing this place is. And then I'll show you how much I'm paying, as well as how cheap you can get this place for. I can't believe it. It's actually amazing value. Just $247 a month. You can get this place. And here is the first co-working space. It's 2 bathrooms here, men and women. You've got 2 couches. There's these cool little seating areas as well. You've got the main area for getting work done, and then in here we've got the movie room. So you can chill, use the TV here. They've got these little bean bags, and then there's also seating area around there if you want to be a bit more social and use the room for other purposes. So pretty cool. They do have free Wi-Fi in here for true mobile users as well. And this is pool number 1. It's a bit smaller than pool number 2, but it's still pretty good. You've got the kiddie section at the front, adult section at the back, and yeah, it just works. Not bad for one of 2 pools. So here we have the kids' room. You've got some table tennis, some chairs, a big ball play net thing, and just a few other games, paddles and stuff around here as well. So pretty cool for the kids. There is a little outdoor gym area here as well for the kids. Just a little playground set. So pretty cool if you've got a family, kids, obviously they'll love this. Here we have co-working space number 2. We've got couches, all these individual co-working spaces here. Bit of a library unit there, and then you've got the big kind of working tables here for groups or more social interactions. These obviously just sitting by yourself and getting your work done. Now let me show you pool number 2. So this is pool number 2. As you can see, it's pretty nice. You've even got this little chilled seated area out here. The pool itself is quite long, so you can get in some laps. So it's pretty good, really. You can smell the chlorine, which is always good. At least you know that they are cleaning the pool. In here we have the bathroom, which is right next to the pool. Basin, toilet, you've got lockers here, there's even a shower in there, and the best thing about it is there's even a sauna room. So here we've got the laundry area. They do come with these refill water, so if you do want to refill your water rather than buy it from 7-Eleven or supermarket, you can do that. And then you've got washing machines and dryers here. I actually have a washing machine in my room, so I'll show that later when I do the room tour. So the entire complex does come with 3 of those laundry rooms, so there's plenty of options if you want to get your laundry done. There's also these water and toilet paper, so you can get bottles of water down here, toilet paper up here, and they're just in front of like 2 of the 4 main buildings. So pretty easy if you just need toilet paper or water. So here we have towel bin. It's actually a drink machine, You find these at just about every condo in Bangkok. So if you haven't seen them before, they're actually pretty good. Can go to English. They do coffees, custom made sodas, milks, that kind of stuff, milkshakes, so anything you want. It's actually pretty good value for money, and it's actually decent. They actually do a pretty good job. So this is the gym. As you can see, I did get changed because I am going for a workout. But we do have a stepping machine here. There's 2 bikes. Here we've got dumbbells and a couple of benches. And then over here we've got the multi-cable setup. So you can do chest, arms and legs here as well. And then you've got the stepping machines, just your walking, running machines here as well. All right, so just finished the workout. Gonna head back and show you guys the room. Let's do it. And this is the room. So as you can see, it is quite small, but this is very common in Thailand, especially with these condos. We do have a flat screen TV over here. Some nice art, actually. I really don't mind that. Couch. Some more art and decorations up there. This is an Airbnb, so I don't rent this long term, but I will show you how to get those amazing prices. We've got air conditioning in the bedroom. Nice queen size bed. Got a big window, lots of light in here, which is good. And in here we have the kitchen. Second air conditioner up here. Full size fridge, dining table. Got balcony out there with a washing machine, currently doing some washing. And here's your kitchenette. So we do have jug, toaster, microwave, and a rice cooker up there, and all your bits and pieces, cups, plates, knives, forks, all of that. And in here we have the bathroom. So you got your basin, mirror, toilet, and hot water shower as well. So I do actually pay for this place through Airbnb. It's $509 USD that I pay per month for this place. And let me show you how you can get it for an amazing price. So here is a listing on Property Hub for the same kind of apartment. It's exactly the same. As you can see there, there's the lounge room area, the TV, the bed, bedroom. Got the corner space, literally right where I am now. You've got your fridge, comes with microwave and a washing machine. And you've got your hot water in there in the bathroom as well. And it's just 8,000 baht per month. And 8,000 baht comes to just 247 US dollars a month. Can you believe that deal? $247.11 a month. For this place. 2 pools, 2 co-working spaces, your kids area, gym, all the laundry areas. It even comes with a washing machine. Just $247 a month. The name of the place is Plum Condo Ram 60 Interchange. It's in Bangkok in Bangkok. You've actually got the Hoi Mak station nearby, which is the express train from the airport that goes straight into the city. You can also go up to Lad Prow, down to Bang Na, and there's even, if you want to go to like the Sukhumvit area, there's a Bangkok pier nearby as well, where you can just catch a ferry all the way through to the city as well, down to Sukhumvit, Ekamai. So it's a pretty amazing deal. I can't believe how affordable it is, and I'm sure you can agree this place is just amazing value for money. If you do know of a better place, leave a comment below. I'd love to find out where other amazing value places are in Bangkok, because a lot of people seem to think that they're way more expensive, but there's obviously some really good deals around. I also have another video where I found an amazing deal in Hua Hin in Thailand. You can check it out now by clicking here. So just click to go watch it. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have subscribed, you're awesome. You're the reason why I make these videos, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.